one? Tawara Digital Storage. So you will go back to this one here. Scroll up, and then here, highlight this thing. And choose the apply style, and choose the what you need, which is the cyan. So that's exactly what they are, that what they are looking for. So click that, and that will do. All right, let's consider the next one. Placed into the appropriate sections of the correct web development layer. This is what you're asking, Muhammad. What are these meta thing? All right. So now we have to make sure these things work or available. That is 10 marks. Imagine for 3 small questions, that's 10 marks. How it's done? Everything is on right click, and you go to the page properties. The first thing they're asking for the UTF-8. So you have to go to the language where you can check the HTML encoding. Save that one and find the UTF-8. Click that, and there you go. UTF-8. Metadata to include your name as the author of the web page. So this is not available, but this,
Yes, sir.
this particular thing is available, the keywords. So highlight
Sir,
all the things. Yes,
please, after doing this, do it again because, like, I want to understand it very well.
no problem. So again, I recorded this also. You can watch it again, but I'll redo it after. All right, you go to general, and here are the keywords. In the keywords, paste those words. Tawara, and remove the and, you don't need that. Click OK. Now, when you go to the code, you will see those two things. The meta UTF-8. You can even erase some of it because they are not needed, but keep it better. Here's the meta content and the key.
What is meta?
Meta is the global setup of your website, like an information of your website. It's gonna be here. It will not display in the Word. It will not display here, but that is related to knowing what is the information of this one. Maybe the language that of your website, the language that it is appropriate, the formatting of that one, the title of this web page. This is the thing. Everything is under that particular meta. Right click again and see what other things you can find there. So last examination, they asked for the default frame here, where you can change it into same frame or new window. But right now, they don't ask. Last time, they asked for the title, where right now, they don't ask for the title. There's no option for author, which maybe there is, but I just don't know it. But I know how to do it appropriately. So here's the keyword. So how you can actually make it. You will go to your code, and under that meta keyword, copy that, enter, paste it, and the same on this particular thing, in this particular keyword, replace this one with the word author. Oh, not capital. And the content of the author, of course, is gonna be your name. All right, it's gonna be your name. You have to put here. So that's the thing. You have the 10 marks out of the 3 information. So when you go back to your page properties, you can see right now all those things that you just added. See, the author, my name, the keywords, that value there. You can do it here, but because you can add, but I suggest you better copy it there and do that one, because that will give the same thing. So again, that's the name and the author of the web page. Should I repeat this part or no need?
Please, sir.
All right. Again, what I did first is right click and go to the page properties. I'll go to the languages and I'll click this one here to find it. Now, last examination, they asked for a certain ISO like this. They asked for this, but the number is different. It's something different exactly. So what we did was you inserted the ISO. We go to the code and modify it, the ISO number here. So it's still okay, because even though it's not available, you can manually type what they need. So it's no big deal about it. The important thing is you know what needs to be changed. At the moment, they just ask for the UTF-8, okay? And that will do.
What is the need of this? Like, what is the use?
The use for this one is the it says character set, like what is the setup of the characters at the moment. Remember, there are so many setup that you can do. Website have different setups sometimes, but this particular thing, this is the encoding used for that one. See, there's an Arabic, there's Japanese, and I think there's so many things you can find. There's Western ISO, there's US ISCAI, but right now this is what they want. All right, so there's a full form for that particular UTF, but I just forgot. Technically, it's a global thing that is being used. Wow. All right. So let me just click this particular thing here. So this is this is the format that they should have applied. For the keywords, right click again and go to the page properties and just simply go to the keywords here. If you cannot find that one, if you are not sure about doing it, you go to the custom and you will know it here. You will put the word keywords and the value separated by comma. Again, click OK, and then make another one for your author. But you know what I did? I just created.
From where you got the value?
Dimension, ya Habibi. Dimension in the question, see?
Okay, what is the keyword?
Keywords means the names which are important in this particular website, like something that will trigger the browser to open. Remember in the Google, like some words in your website will appear and it will become part of the search of the websites that is available online. You got it? So in other words, if there will be, if someone search in the website using Tawara, so maybe your website will be one of the option because that's one of the keyword you have. All right. And for the author, I just showed you there. Now let's move to number 7. Number 7 is about image. So this is what you're looking for. Place an image here, which is spec SSD JPG. So it's going to be this one. Of course, you have to erase that. And you have to drag this one. Oh, no, not that one. Image that we just made, this one. All right, spec SSD. So just simply drag and drop when it is an image. So just make it SSD because this particular image, it's an SSD storage. Click OK, and there you go. That's going to be your SSD storage there. After that, add appropriate alternative name. Also, I just added the word SSD, but if you forgot how to do it, so you go to picture properties and here's the alternative name, alternative text. Write it here. All right, because you can see that particular thing in the code, and here's the code. So you will see this one and you will lose 1 mark for it if you will not do it. So that's very important. After that, they said something here. Save the web page, display that in the browser, take a screenshot, and place it in your evidence document. So meaning you will go to the browser, save this particular thing, click this one and open in the Chrome or any browser you want, but Chrome is the best thing. Click that one and see your website. This is your website now. That will do. So the first thing they asked to do is they said all page can be seen, all the text can be read, and then the address bar is fully visible. That's the address bar. So you can adjust this one a little bit like that. So that's one page right now. So you can simply take a screenshot of it. I'm pressing a screenshot on my keyboard now and going back to my evidence. And in here, if you can make it into the layout of narrow, would be much better so that it will adjust the space into it and paste it. There you go. So that particular thing is so clear. Nothing is hiding. You can see the borders. You can see the text, the names, and so on. Now, if that's in your exam, it's a little bit not clear, no problem. Make it bigger like this. Print screen. Wait, take one screenshot, scroll down, take screenshot, and put it. So you will not lose mark for that one because this is just to show everything clearly. So if you observe in the browser, did you observe even I make it smaller or bigger? This one did not change. Why did not change? Because we said it's 90%, remember? That's the reason why it's not changing, because you make it 90%. If I'll make it 100%, look what will happen here. If I'll change, 1 minute, let me just complete this part. So if I will change the table properties instead of keeping that one into 90%, and I will make it into 100%. See what will happen. All right. Save. Refresh. See, it fits exactly. Make it 90. That's it. All right. Now it says the address bar. So I think you can see there in the screenshot, the address bar is written. That's very important. Take a copy of the HTML source and place this also in evidence document. How are you going to do it? In here, you right click and then you go to the view page source. Here's the thing. Control A, copy. Here. Okay. All right, paste this one and then scroll down and just make it into text. So now here's the thing. So you put the meta, 3 meta. They will see this number, this word. They will see these keywords, that one. They'll see your name as the author. They will see the to-style link that you put, that yours is in the bottom one, which is priority. This one, they don't need to see these things here. They want to see that you put the solid state of that particular image, which is here. Then they want to see that it is set up into SSD. That's the thing. And that's it. That's exactly what they're looking for. And of course, they want to see that you put your name into it. So these are the keywords to get the marks on that particular work in the HTML. In other words, the total of this exam, it's 44 marks. So that's exactly how it's done on the web, on this web particular thing. All right.
Yes, and how many hours is paper three?
The whole paper itself, you would say it's 15 minutes here. So even right now, I'm just explaining with you. I'm slowing down. If you know exactly what you're doing, the time is more than enough. You got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I ask my question?
Sure.
Sir, what we'll do in this print out or prints?
What will happen is that once you have done everything, you will print these things here. You will put this in a folder, and you will give the folder together with your statement of informations to the guy, and they will put this in the in the folder where they have to submit it to the Cambridge.
Should I
And,
buy the
huh?
should I buy the folder?
No, nothing. Everything is from them. No, you have to buy your own folder for your statement of entry, for your passport, and the personal thing. Just like what did you do last time? You have prepared some folder for your files, for your passport, for your ICAMA, and all those things that you need for your examinations, not because of this one. So this
But
one,
still, I'm afraid from this the print and this thing. Like I think like maybe my all work will go. So you will be there with us in the printing time.
printing time, I can help. Okay, because that's printing time. I will be there for that particular thing. You on Monday, because your exam is Tuesday, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Say you should be in school because we need to practice printing.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
We need to practice printing today. We have to make sure that you know exactly how to print, where to print, what printer to use in the printing time. Yes, Omar?
So should come on Monday.
Yeah, Monday you should be in school. If possible, the whole day from morning you'll be in the lab until until 2 p.m.
Sir, should I bring the SharePoint file and install it there?
Yeah. If you are working with a SharePoint, if you will work with a SharePoint, then yes.
But sir, there is no difference, correct?
Huh?
No difference, correct?
No difference. If you practice that particular SharePoint and you know what I'm showing right now, did you see any difference? Nothing much.
No. What about the video? If they say like insert a video, I hear that you should put a code.
Yeah, that's what we did last meeting, Muhammad. The link I gave you, that's what we did.
In part two.
Yeah, that's the one. I think Omer, you remember we inserted a video last time, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you will do. You have to learn how to insert. And again, inserting video, I will show for you both right now. If there will be a video, there's no video here, but I can put one. So let's assume there's a video after this one here, after here. So you just have to simply, let me just put a video because there's no video at the moment. The video file is here. Let me just copy this one. Okay. I'll bring one in this folder, which is not important, but we need to do just a little additional information. So you will not see it, but let me see the refresh for it. Let's say yes to it. There's still no video, so I can close this one right now and just open again the web expression. Any style sheets will do. When you open the style sheet, everything will go back. So now there's a video here. Now let's go back to our work. And if they have mentioned to add a video here, so go to the split to the see, you can see those things. It's here. So erase that one. The first thing you will write is video. I forgot the opening tag. Close the tag, and you will see both. Under that one, you will put the source src equals, then write the name of your video. So pick a URL for it, or just simply take this thing, copy this, rename, copy, and put it inside this src. There you go. Close it. Now the video is available for that purpose, but it's not yet organized. If I will run that one and I'll bring it to the browser. Oh, no, 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 not there. All right. No. Chrome. There you go. See, if you, is that the one? Where is it? Okay, let me just go back to the browser. Yeah. So let me open this one. And you will see right now that below that one, there's already an image here. But the image does not exactly move because I did not put through any loops into it. So to make sure that if there's some loop into it, you will go to this one here in the video, add the word controls. All right. So when you add the word controls, what will happen if you click that one, see you have an option to play it. Depending on the instruction also, you can modify that video according to the size. You can do here and put would say the width equal 100%, depending on the question. Height, 100%, again, depending on the question. If the question is pixel, just put px. If they don't specify, they want height, just click that way. So that's the thing, and just refresh. See the thing now? It's fitting exactly to the browser. So that's the thing. Now,
Change the width.
yeah, I put the width and the height into 100%. Now, if I want an error message to display, if it's not available, you can type it between these two. So you would say the picture is not, or the video is not available to be played in the browser, something like that. So you should have that particular thing as well. That's the thing there. All right, and save it. And there you go. You save that particular thing. So it's gonna be your choice on how to do that one. And another thing, if they want, oh, that's everything is there now. Actually, there's something you can add here. You can add type, which is not important for the thing. You can actually put it here. You would say video, and then /MP4, but it's not really important on that particular thing. So that will be enough. This one is already working enough to work with the browser. So that will be the thing. This is the video for that one. All right. Anyway, so what else I have to do? Nothing much right now. So I will send this again to you, these particular files that we were doing, not the file, but the recording for this one so that you can practice. And hopefully by next class, hopefully, I don't know, Omar, I'll message to you and Muhammad, maybe whatever time this week, I will just arrange, okay? Arrange a meeting for you guys. Bye boys, have another lesson, huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
I will send you the video. I will send you the video.